What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. We have made it back to WMI, Wight Motorsports Inc. here, and we're going to head inside today and check out the progress on our brand new race car. We're building a brand new race car for the 2024 season, and it's going to be awesome. Kind of everything we've ever dreamed of, and I never thought we'd ever get to the point where we would be able to build a brand new race car in such a short period of time with our racing career. So I appreciate everybody clicking on today's video. I appreciate everyone's support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're happy with the progress, and make sure you check out our previous videos when we announced that we were going to be building a brand new race car. And some exciting times here on the JRD Motorsports channel. There's no such thing as an off season. There's on-track season and off-track season. So let's head inside here to Wight Motorsports Inc. and see what we got going on with our brand new race car. Customer entrance. That's me. Let's go. How's our race car coming along, boys?
Yeah, I think that.
Excuse me, I'd like to inquire about a race car.
Yeah, we're all sold out.
Sold out? No. All right. I hear you're going racing next year.
Yeah, we're gonna try to.
Is that your car back there?
Nice Pro late model sitting back there.
And what's your racing experience, Paul?
Some go-karts back when I was like 12 years old.
Attaboy.
Yeah, we're starting big.
Straight to a pro late.
Oh yeah.
I heard you bought an engine yesterday.
Yeah, we're racking up the bill already.
Yeah, that hurts, eh?
Got a rear end over there too.
Oh boy. You're the guy that sold it to him.
That's right.
You can get everything you need here, one stop, WMI.
That's right.
Can I go look at my race car now?
If you want.
You got those door plates done?
Yeah, we're working on it.
All right, let's go
They're
look.
gonna fit nice and perfect.
All right, Paul, what do we got?
Hey, door plates going here. You want your switch receiver like a late model, or put them somewhere else?
No, I think the Super Stock's race too rough to do that. So
Door you a little too much?
yeah, that sucked to lose a race halfway through because you get doored.
Get off the power.
Yeah, but it's nice to have a nice leg bar.
Yeah, Nathan got that all touched up for you.
Yeah. So we got tin.
Nathan's third try.
We got tin in the race car. And yeah.
Not sure if mine will fit in there yet, but
Look at how tight this is. Like, oh, not already real, but like that's tight. I like it. Get some padding in there, nice seat, we're good to go. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with the race car. There'll be a lot more for me to show once it's back from powder coat, which is going to be next week. It's going to head to powder coat. They're just finishing up those door bar plates and a few safety things on the chassis. So once it's back from powder coat, we're going to get the tin in the body and everything, and that's when I can really, that's when I'm involved. Obviously, I'm not working on the chassis and doing that stuff. We're letting the smart people here do that. So once it's back from powder coat next week, there'll be a lot more consistent content. I apologize for the delay here. I know a couple people have asked kind of what's happening, what's next, and that's kind of, I'm kind of in a lull for us. We've finished stripping our old race car, getting everything out of it that's going with the new owners. So that's ready to go. Hopefully the car sells and we can carry on with this new build. So that's kind of where we're at with that. I'm hoping to have some really good vlog content coming in the next couple of weeks as we start to get all the new stuff and our engine and everything put in the new chassis. Make it pretty, Nathan. This is costing me $10 in royalties. Do you approve? Do you approve? Not bad? Okay. All right, so I gotta get in this thing. I got in it before there was the tin kit and everything in it, but I gotta get in it for the sake of getting in it. This is not how you get in a race. Like, I gotta get in through the roof. I'm like Michael Waltrip when Dale Jr. won. Mikey! Oh. Yeah. See, it's not that snug. I guess by the time you put the seat and leg braces.
Yeah, you're not in a seat.
I'm not in anything. I'm just sitting on the floor. But
You might not even need the seat.
yeah. The tub's nice height now. Our other one was Delaware rules, so this is new rules. Nathan made my bar kink the way I wanted it. Thanks, Nathan. Yeah, she's good. Not gonna put the switches there. I'm excited for the dash the way we're gonna do it too. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Do I look good in here?
Look like you're going fast.
Now it's going fast. And then when you get out, hold on, let's test it. Woo! Yeah, it works. I dig it.
Don't step on Paul's fingers.
Nice. All right, so one thing we do get asked, and we've been asked for the last little while too, is what are we doing next season? Obviously, we're going back super stock racing. We're building a brand new race car to do that. The plan as of now, unless anything changes, is to run full-time Delaware Speedway and or run full-time Qwick series, depending on what happens with that, or if the rules for the eligibility and stuff do change or don't change. It may vary. It may change our decision a little bit, but either way, we're still going to run a full slate of super stock races, and we would like to travel a little bit and stuff still. So kind of the same as what we've been doing for the last couple of years. We're just going to do it even better and do it with a new race car and go run for wins and try and contest for a championship or two. So kind of the same thing that we have been doing, just on a grander scale and more targeted. So really excited for that. I would love to see the Qwick series switch to 75 lap race. I think the super stocks are a premier division now, and I think that's something that we could handle and the cars can handle and the field can handle. I think we've proved that the last couple of years that that series is dynamite, and I would love to run some longer races. I think that would add another level to the races, kind of who can save their equipment and stuff like that. So that would be awesome. I'd love to see Sawwell Speedway added to the schedule. It's not, I think that's a track that we might be decent at. We're good at Flamborough, so just kind of, there's a million different things I could talk about as to what I'd like to see. But that's kind of our plan for next season with this new race car, and I'm really excited all winter to be working on it and have the great help of these great people, and it's gonna be really exciting. That's enough for today. It was just a quick little stop-in video to check what was going on here. So I appreciate everybody clicking on it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. Like the video. Comment below what you think. What you think the new chassis color is going to be. Because next week we will probably unveil that after it gets back from powder coat. So appreciate everybody. And we're going to hopefully have some more working content and some more dynamite stuff coming up on the channel soon. So appreciate everybody's support. And we'll be back here next week on the JRD Motorsports vlog with some more content and a colorful chassis.